Hello Transformation, welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do an everyday natural makeup tutorial, and it's going to be very easy, and you guys just going to follow these easy steps to achieve this look. So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step is to apply some face moisturizer. This one I love by Ruby Kisses. It helps with your pores and it helps with dryness. So during the winter, our skin tends to change. So I always apply moisturizer on my face, whether it's summer, spring, fall, winter. It helps keep my face moisturized and it won't have no flakes. And I use my setting spray that helps controls the oil of like the concealer, which have like a water base or a shine base to it. Now I'm going to use my Scope Brow. And I love this one. I have it in the color brunette. I don't like dark brown because dark brown make my brows look more darker and not natural. So this brunette color is everything that I do love about it. So I am just really just sketching out, filling in my brows. A lot of people saying that why I'm wearing fake brows. I have brows. I just fill them in. So I really don't have fake brows, as you guys can see. Wow. Okay, so I'm using my concealer all day, every day. It's in the color Classic Tan. I love this concealer because I love how small the brush is. So I can go underneath like the curve of my brow. And I don't have to worry about it being messy. That concealer is going to get on my brow because of the brush is really small. I have a nice precision. And I'm going to use my Professional New York Concealer Warm Coconut, which is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to use my sponge I use to blend underneath my brow to make sure to get the consistency, especially underneath. And then after I blend, I go right back and I use an angle brush for my brows. This is like one of the second techniques that I love to do before applying my makeup. Of course, your brows have to always look on point. So that is one of my rules of makeup. So I have an angle brush. I'm just making sure on top that my brows look very nice and neat and precise, not wild. They look in place or are in place. And I just like to keep it really neat and very natural. I don't try to apply a lot on my brows. I'm going to use my gold eyeshadow palette by Professional Kiss New York. This is one of my eyeshadow palettes, and this also by Ruby Kisses. I'm going to use like a dark brown color, which I'm almost out. So I'm going to apply that color towards the end of my eye. So I'm just going in a circular motion, a full circular motion, so you guys can see how to blend out the colors. And I know you guys asked me how do I pick colors. It's mostly random. It just depends on how I'm feeling and the choice of the outfit that I pick. But mostly just depends on how I'm feeling. And I'm going to use gold. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. You can do this eyeshadow color. It goes good with anything. Whether it's classy or not classy, or if your outfit just regular, it still looks good. So I love gold. The gold eyeshadow always bring out my face more. And I'm just going to go back in with that nice beautiful brown, and I'm just going to outline it. And I'm going to use my Kiss New York precision eyeliner. I love this one because it's very sharp and it just brings my eyes to life. This is one of the best eyeliners that I have used, and I just love Kiss New York products. It's amazing. I love it. So I always don't know how to draw my eyeliner. You guys have asked me that, so I really just eyeball it. I do mess up sometimes, and I show you guys how to fix it. And I'm going to show you guys next how I fix my eyeliner. So I'm picking out my lashes. I'm using the Mink Impact number 01. It's like a vegan. It's Mink Impact Light 01. These lashes are really light. You can't even tell that you have them on. They're very natural, and I love the volume of the lashes. The band does not irritate my eyes because most of the time it's either the band or the fiber on the lashes that irritate my eyes. But with this one, it does not. So I am just applying some glue around the band of my lashes. So I want to make sure that my lashes stay on and look really nice. So I am fanning my lashes, and I'm just going to let it dry a little bit. So I'm going to get ready to apply my lashes so you guys can see. So I apply close as possible. And what I do is I start letting the glue dry and I hold it down with my fingers. I'm using my warm coconut, so that's how I clean up the liner if I do mess up, because no one's not perfect. So now I'm going to get ready to spray my setting spray and blend that concealer in right underneath my eye to have a lift for my liner. So I'm going to go ahead and blend, blend, blend. And you guys see how perfect that concealer blends in with my skin tone. I love this concealer. This is the warm coconut, and the number is 345. You can get it from Ivy Beauty or ivyusa.com. And I will leave the description down below. And this is how I achieve my natural makeup everyday look. So if you guys want to see more, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys. Bye. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. And thank you once again. Transformation.